Welcome to this lesson on Microsoft PowerPoint, the world's most popular presentation software. Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful tool developed by Microsoft. It's part of the Microsoft Office suite and is used to create dynamic, slide-based presentations. Each presentation is made up of individual slides. These slides can include text, images, charts, videos, animations, and other multimedia elements, making your content more engaging and impactful. So, what's the purpose of PowerPoint? It's commonly used for creating professional presentations, whether for business meetings, educational lectures, or personal projects. It helps you share your ideas visually, making them easier to understand and remember. PowerPoint comes packed with powerful features like pre-designed slide layouts and templates, eye-catching animations and transitions, seamless integration of videos, images, charts, and audio, presenter tools including notes, a built-in timer, and a virtual laser pointer, and easy export options, so you can share your presentation as a video, PDF, or image. You'll find PowerPoint being used everywhere. In education, for interactive lessons and student projects. In business, for reports, product demos, and training. And at events and webinars, where it helps enhance storytelling and engagement. Here's a fun fact. PowerPoint wasn't originally created by Microsoft. It was first developed by a company called Forethought, Inc. and released in 1987. Microsoft acquired it later that same year. And the rest is history. That's a quick overview of what Microsoft PowerPoint is and why it's such a powerful tool. In the next lesson, we'll explore the PowerPoint interface and how to get started with your first presentation.